Planning your tea day, a simple 4-step process. First, you want to set yourself a date. Then, calculate how much Slurry Gold you'll need. Plan the actual treatment. And finally, what next after emptying a treated tank. Step 1. Set yourself a date to start. Your primary goal should be to keep the slurry treated for as long as possible. Treat the tank or lagoon when it has been emptied and has just started to be used. Ideally, you want a foot of slurry in the bottom. This ensures Slurry Gold will work throughout the entire period it is being filled. If you are transferring from a small slatted tank to a larger store or lagoon every 2 to 3 weeks, it is more practical for you to apply the Slurry Gold each time you transfer the slurry. Step 2. How much Slurry Gold will you need? You need to calculate the total volume of the tank in gallons. The simple formula for this is its length by breadth by depth in feet multiplied by 6.25. In this case, the cubic feet is 4,320, which when multiplied by 6.25 gives us 27,000 gallons. For a round store, its cubic feet would be half its diameter squared multiplied by its depth and 3.14. For example, a 15-foot high store with a diameter of 40 feet would be 18,840 cubic feet, resulting in 117,000 gallons. Slurry Gold is packed in 3 different sizes: a small half-kilo tub which treats 50,000 gallons, a medium 1.5 kilo tub which treats 150,000 gallons, and a large 2.5 kilo tub which treats 250,000 gallons. Given a standard bay of 15 by 12 by 8 feet will hold close to 10,000 gallons, it is not hard to quickly estimate the number of bays each will treat. Step 3. Plan your dosing. 100 grams of Slurry Gold treats 10,000 gallons. We recommend splitting up your tank into 10,000 gallon segments. A standard bay could be used as a rough estimate. For simplicity, a large cap holds 100 grams and the smaller cap 50 grams. For each 10,000 gallons, dilute 100 grams of Slurry Gold into a bucket of clean, preferably warm water. We are treating a standard 3-bay slatted tank, so we put 1 cap of Slurry Gold into a bucket of clean, lukewarm water. Mix it well and pour across the slats as much as possible. Repeat for each bay and that's it. Tank treated for the season. Don't worry if there's any sediment left in the bucket, the microbes have already left with the water. Adding whilst pumping into a larger unit, just dilute and add the amount of Slurry Gold needed to treat the volume you are pumping. Step 4. What next after emptying a treated tank? When you have removed the treated slurry from the tank, retreat as normal, assuming the tank is still in use. If you are only removing a portion of the slurry from the tank, retreat accordingly for what you have removed. Finally, for best results, Slurry Gold needs what any living organism requires to thrive: a regular supply of nutrients, water, and as much time to work as possible. Also avoid the addition of any antibacterial substances to the tank, such as silage effluent or strong chemicals, as these can inhibit the bacterial activity.